Hello everyone and welcome back to the techystack channel, and today we'll try to explore one more new topic. So this is related to the Excel. So in Excel file I have the couple of sheets. When you observe here, so I have the Excel sheets having some specific date. So which is the format of 08.12.2023. So just assume that, so we need to rearrange of these sheets. So the original format arrange this is like this. So when I check this, so this is the original format of these files. I mean, basically, I have a lot of files are available in this Excel file. Okay, now I want to rearrange the sheets, which is in the format of 6, 8, or if we get to 17 the date, so we need to arrange this sheets, which is in the order format. So now we'll try to explore with the UiPath. So I'm closing this Excel file. So let me reopen one more time, and we can see this. This is in the in format. I mean, which is in the format of in order. So now we need to change this to perfect order. So let me close this. So I'm taking this copy as the path. So I need that file path. So first of all, I'm taking one as an activity. So here I don't want to use this any Excel application scope. I am using the VB code. So let me create one variable which we call file name. File is available. Okay, let me create file name, and here I'm passing this path. Okay, after this I'm using the corner. So take the activity which we call invoke. So drag and drop in this invoke code. So in this invoke code we need to pass one argument, so which is nothing but as file name. So now here I will take one argument file name, and I will pass this variable as file name. Okay, now I need to go to this edit code. So once you open this edit code, the code which is available in the format of wb.net code. So I'm updating the code here itself. Let me zoom it, and I will update the code one by line. Let me expand why it's not expanding. Okay, let me try this way. Okay, it's not expanding full. I think it should. Okay, it's not expanding. Let it be. So the first step. So I'm using snippet of code is using WKB. So WKB, which is nothing but as the workbook as new closed XLM dot Excel XLM dot Excel dot Excel workbook. So let me find Excel workbook. After this, we need to pass it path. I mean file path. So my file name is file name. So just update the file name. We just hit enter. So after this, we need to create the sheets. DIM. So you can put the one capital E also it's fine, but this is also small d also it's fine. Sheets as closed XML dot Excel, and we need to create Excel worksheets are there. Excel worksheets. Okay, I'm not able to see the Excel worksheets. Let me check this. So what I did Excel as XLM closed XLM dot Excel. Okay, let me do these sheets. Okay, as closed XML. This is fine. Dot XML dot Excel. So we'll get the worksheets. So why it's not getting worksheets? Let me. I already have the code. Let me take this. Okay, IXL. Okay, sorry for that. So we need to give IXL Excel worksheets. So take this IXL worksheets equals to WKB dot worksheets. worksheets. So next, use dim arrange sheets. No? So just ARR array sheets. So just I am storing entry into the array as string equals to sheets dot select. Okay. So this is one function. We need to write function. Okay, I'm not getting big screen now. So I will go with like this function of. So here set which is for each loop like that. It will work. S dot name. Why it's not appending the name? Let me check this sheets dot name. Okay, we'll write everything later. We'll modify that. Dot order by function of yes. So what it will not just it will looping getting that data. I need to check that now. So what type of I'm having the file name, which is the format of that. So I'm checking that one. Date time dot press p or here it will get. So sometimes you are get the downward, sometimes you are not getting the downside, which is you are getting now. So press of yes, and what is my format? So I having the format as t dot m dot before. So let me check what type format here given. Okay, capital M. Okay, this is fine. So this is my Excel sheets format. So after that, we need to convert that local machine. So system dot globalization downside we can see this one. So just to select that globalization after just dot we need to have culture info. So we got it here culture info dot invariant culture dot so we need to close this bracket dot to so let me close one more dot to array. So having some issue, let me comparison these two things. Did I miss something else? So this is one of the big query. I mean, which we need to remember if something is a bit difficult. So sheets dot select order by function of date class, and this is my date and time format. Globalization dot to array. Everything is correct only. So I'm taking the top one. So both are having the same thing. So I will take the top one. So let me remove. Okay. So I taken the top one. So after this, so I need to create one variable, which we call dim I as int. I'm taking as 32 equal to 1. So this is for incrementing that counter. So we don't know how many sheets it will come now. So for that purpose, we take that integer counter. So I'm now we start that loop for each s as whatever real now we taken now. So these things. So we don't know how many sheets are come. So they will need to take that s as or any string in a or. So we have this variable declared now. So I'm passing this variable declared here. So let me pass it that. After this, wkb dot worksheets of yes. So this yes we are passing it. So every time we are getting the sheets dot position is equals to 1. Okay, next I equals to I plus 1. This is the incrementer, nothing but us. And I will keep this next. So we are close that globe. And finally wkb dot save. Okay, I don't want to save this, I need to save. And finally we need to use end using. So if you want, you can use like this delimiter, so which will get some good format. If you want, else if you don't want that, so as it is, you keep like that. And this should be, I will make it as. So now if you see this, it would have some alignment. So which we need to do that. So let me click on that OK. And we can see this some error is there. So where that error means we need to find out here. So it's having IXLL worksheet at line number 2. So let me open this code. So having some error at line number 2. So let me check this is worksheets or worksheet. Let me go to my code back. So this is worksheets only. Then let me copy this small snippet code and I will update here. So is there having any changes which I did? So sheet the XML workbook. Okay. So I did one small thing. So here I Excel worksheet should be there. So here. So this is a one small mistake which I did. Let me click on that OK. And we need to wait for a couple of seconds. We're still having some error. So no, sorry, what is no compiler code to run. So overload the resolution string cannot be conversions at line number 6. We can see this line number 6 having some error. So let me go and check here. So here having WKB small and here having WKB capital. So let me update that as well. And still having at sixth line. So maybe position it might be the wrong, I think what I feel. Okay, this is worksheet only, not the sheets. And let me check this position will come or not. Dot u yes yes. Okay, now it's done. So this is also completed. Now still we have some more error. So okay, now errors all completed. So just I'm running this bot. We'll see how the output looks. So already we have seen that now. So we have that in arrange the format. The format is, I mean, format means which is not in the correct way. So now I'm running this bot. So it will take couple of seconds to run this. And now I'm going to the input and we can see this. So all the sheets has been okay. Still it's not arranged. So then it did something wrong. So let me close this. Maybe something which might be not in the correct way. I equal to I plus 1, all are done. So I'm just validating my input data. Okay. Okay, so here I'm not updated this save. So that is the one more error. I mean, I'm doing it, but I'm not saving the file as properly. So let me run it again. Now we'll see. So this is the way how we can check that. I mean, basically, when you're writing that code, so we're getting some errors. So why I'm not skipping now? Because I mean, we should know how the errors are getting and how we can resolve those errors. Okay. And now we can see this output whether it will get perfect or not. I don't know why it's taking this much time to open that Excel file. In the last run, my Excel got freezed. So now I close that Excel file and I will show this input, I mean Excel sheets, and post it. I will run that bot again. So now you can see this, the sheets are which is in arranged. So now I'm running this query. So let me see what will happens. So now I updated. Let it complete. Okay, now execution has been completed and I'm going to the sheets and opening the box. Now you can see this is in the format of arranged. So 6 8 23. So this is the way how we can do without using Excel activities, arrange the sheets. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.